Talk bees runs with everything. Talk bees, it's me. Callie.
This is.
Huh?
This is.
Well, Alice was drivers last night.
Omen.
So me, Jameson, and Jordan went all around.
10-8-08. The day
One time I did one and two.
of gambling with the Indians. Me and my slave friend, Tarvu.
Don't let them know.
And Taco.
Don't let them know you're Navajo, because they're Cherokee, son.
Cherokee, son. Bailey is Cherokee. And Callie? Navajo. Nataho.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
Nataho.
Which one do I do? Which one do I do? Ow!
If you're taking bait. Oh, she did a doo-doo on your foot, dog! Look at that, dude. We got this on camera, homie. Perfect. Callie, get away from the dude.
You're in the...
Get away from the dude.
whole circle thing. Remember I was saying that the other day, bro?
Oh, she's smiling. Look at that, dude.
Bro, how funny would that be to fucking have the dog go...
She just did a perfect circle, dude.
Hey, keep turning, keep turning!
Come on, you almost have it finished.
It looks like a washer machine.
It's a question mark, dude. What? It's a question mark. What were you thinking? It's a question mark. The culprit?
Bro.
The culprit?
Spray some Windex on that shit.
Spray some Windex.